everybody. We are in the Rocky model park, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but yes, we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
Some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, cool, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think if this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right? Yes. Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here. Nadia is about 5'2", 5'3", so you can kind of see how large the structure is. And again, we can either build it with the hitch on a trailer, on a 4-axle trailer system, or we can build it on skids if you just want to put it on a permanent foundation. All right, let me film a quick video real fast of the Big Bertha 3.0 and show you how beautiful this cabin is. I don't have a lot of time today, so I won't keep you all long, but this is the way the kitchen comes, fully turnkey. As you can see, you got your microwave, stove, all electric. You got your dishwasher, you got your refrigerator, you got your views out your window. You got your knotty pine kitchen cabinets, right? Absolutely beautiful, right? You got your LVP floors. Down here, you walk in here, got your spot for your washer and dryer stackable, big old communal bathroom. Got your closet over here. And then out front, you got a beautiful porch. Underneath your stairs, you got a 40-gallon water heater, or we can do an on-demand water heater if you want to do instant hot water. Got your little living room here. Okay, got your electrical panel. Remember, this already got electric running through it. Okay, downstairs bedroom with its own bathroom ensuite. Okay, right over here, you got your bathroom ensuite. Okay, bang, bang, bang. If you want a tub, we can do it. There's your doors. Okay, for privacy. Got your pocket doors, 200 amp electric, beautiful knotty pine walls. If you don't want all that knotty pine, you can see we can also do white walls as well with birch plywood, and we paint them white. So if you don't want all that pine, we can do it. Again, go upstairs real quick. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. 3-bed, 2-bath. Upstairs on the 2nd floor. Beautiful. Got that A-frame bedroom. We got it fully staged. Okay. Got the A-frame. You got one of your dormers here. Another window there. All kinds of natural light. Remember too, guys, I'm a 6'6" fella here. So I'm a very tall guy, and my head ain't nowhere near hitting no ceiling up here. So it's very spacious. Okay. We can put another wall here and wall this off, make it a 3rd bedroom, or just leave it open like what it is. We got it set up as an office, but most people make this a 3rd bedroom. And all kinds of natural light coming in. Beautiful, right? And let me take y'all outside real quick and show you what the outside looks like. That way you get the whole clean picture of it. Again, back downstairs, look to your right. You got your kitchen, look to your left. Got your living room and bedroom downstairs. Go out the front door. And got a huge, look to the left, look to the right, massive 6-foot by 46-foot front porch. Again, the dimensions on this cabin is 14 by 46 on the 1st floor and 2nd floor. And then the porch is 6 foot by 46 foot. So you're looking at a home that is 1,050 square foot livable space, 3-bed, 2-bath with a 6 foot by 46 foot front porch. The dimensions of it with the porch is 20 foot by 46 foot, 20 by 46 with the porch, 14 by 46 livable, again, 20 foot by 46 with the porch. Okay. Give us a call today, guys, if you're interested in a cabin. You got all that pretty land and you want to put a cabin on it. Give us a call and let's get this beautiful Big Bertha 3.0 on the lot. Let's get it done. Let's get it on the lot. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Y'all have a blessed day now. All right, let's say you're looking for a smaller cabin, a ranch. You want to keep everything on one story. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. As you can see, it's got a mix between the black metal siding. You got a black metal roof, and then a little bit of that knotty pine wood aesthetic on the front, along with the rails to kind of give it a little bit of that Scandinavian look. The porch is 6 foot by 40 foot, and the living space is 14 by 40. So with the porch open, it is 20 foot by 40 foot. You got 800 square foot under roof with the porch. Nice size porch there. You walk in, and this one is not fully turnkey. This is just what we call a finished shell, which means that you got your double pane Anderson windows in here, okay? And you got your spot here where your kitchenette's gonna go. So you'll have all your kitchen stove, microwave, and all of that right on this little L shape, right? You got all your electric ready for that. And then of course you got the open concept living room here, okay? And then as you go to the back, this one we did more modern too, as you can notice. Instead of the pine walls, we did all this with the birch plywood walls and painted them white. That way, just to show you all that if you don't want the cabin look, then we can do that. See, we already got the lights up there. It's already insulated. These got 2x6 exterior wall framing, just like any other house. So this is framed up with 2x6, and then you got your fiberglass insulation inside the walls, or you can upgrade to spray foam. Over here, you got your pocket doors. Bedroom number 1 with your electrical panel in here. Again, you got your black Anderson windows. You got all your electrical outlets already here, ready to go. Come on out. Again, we got a spot here where you can put you a little bathroom, put you a stand-up shower, and your commode and sink over here. And then you got your master bedroom over here, okay? Now remember, that's just the way we designed this one. If you want to do it as a 1 bed, 1 bath, or change up the floor plan when you order yours, that's up to you, okay? So just let us know how you want to do it, and it's like Burger King. You get to have it your way. If you buy it just the way you see it here, this one is $75,000, or you can buy it fully turnkey for $125,000. This is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. Again, with 125, we're going to fill it up. Tubs, toilets, sinks, electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, all of that. We'll make it fully turnkey for you if you want it at the 125. Remember too, we can also go longer. So if you want to go longer than 40, we can do that as well. So you got the nice big glass door right here. You can put some blinds on these. Again, like I said, your kitchenette's gonna go right there. So you gotta use your imagination a little bit. This is just a shell, but this one is for sale. So give us a call if you're interested. First deposit gets it. These go pretty quick. Beautiful structure. A lot of people that buy this one, they buy it for like the Airbnb. They'll rent them out, or they just want a little cabin out in the woods for their families to get away to. Nothing fancy. They'll buy this one, and a lot of people buy 2 or 3 of them, rent them out, or just a little getaway for the family. Okay. So again, this got the black born and batten metal on it. You can pick any colors you want. Let me walk around the back here so you can see what the back side looks like. I like that metal. I think that metal looks real good because, you know, y'all are used to seeing us do a lot of the wood stuff, but a lot of people like that metal because it's low maintenance, and it's super easy to maintain, and it looks really good. And like I said, we got 20 different colors to choose from. So give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. We're located at 677 South Cardinal Lane here in Scottsburg, Indiana. Alrighty. Give us a call. Let's get your cabin out on that land.